Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Good evening, everyone. Just an update. Tomorrow, we will experience the solar eclipse. I don't know what time magiging madilim or magngit-ngit ang panahon. Basta tomorrow, it's either morning or afternoon. So reminders lang para sa mga pregnant women, kung pwede, dili mo pwede magawas kay baka iba ang magiging epekto sa inyo. So sa Bible, sa Joel chapter 2 verse 31, it says, "The sun shall be turned into darkness and the moon into blood before the great and the terrible day of the Lord come." So, try to understand sa Bible verse na ako ang gibanggit sa inyo, ha? Tomorrow, mag-ampo tanang tao. Pray for the safety and security for every individual, for all of us. God bless everyone. Thank you for following and listening and always watching with me. Thank you for the likes and shares of my video clip. God bless.